SAAB is in the mood to celebrate its 3 decades of cutting-edge turbocharging heritage. Meet the Turbo X, a special edition 9.3 inspired by SAAB's 2006 Aero X concept car from the Geneva Motor Show. The Turbo X silhouette is sleekly Scandinavian with some very special touches unique to the Turbo X package. Bad to the bone metallic jet black is the only available exterior color for Turbo X. The grille is bolder, the front spoiler deeper. A gray titanium look finish distinguishes the Turbo X's various trim pieces, its highly styled 3-spoke wheels, and the dual exhaust tips. This deck lid spoiler completes the road warrior look. Inside, highly supportive sports seats hold you in the command position in front of a thick steering wheel. Both, of course, are trimmed in black leather. What else? Carbon fiber inserts are another specific Turbo X touch, and so is the boost gauge, a replica of the one fitted to the original 900 Turbo. The heart of the Turbo X is a 280 horsepower, 2.8-liter V6 engine with 15% more torque than the normal V6. It produces 295 pounds-feet at only 2,000 RPM. But its ability to put that power and thrust on the road comes from cross-wheel drive, SAAB's 4th-generation Haldex all-wheel drive system. Cross-wheel drive is one of the most sophisticated, controllable traction systems on the market. Key components are a power transfer unit attached to the transaxle and a rear drive module containing a torque transfer device and an electronic limited slip differential. 20 sensors feed info from all over the Turbo X to an ECU that analyzes 100 pieces of data per second. The ECU then sends torque wherever it's needed. SAAB engineers test in the frigid climes of the Arctic, so you would expect this front driver's cross-wheel drive system to really make the Turbo X fly on a frozen lake. That it does. But this sophisticated system also makes the X and any SAAB in which it's fitted a barnstormer on dry pavement. 5 to 10% of torque is delivered by the rear wheels on dry pavement unless the front drive wheels start slipping. Cross-wheel drive is actually capable of sending all of its torque to the rear. It can also route up to 40% to just the rear wheel with the most grip. As you would expect, Turbo X also sports some extra beefy underpinnings to complement the jet fighter look. Stiffer springs, tighter dampers, a lower ride height than the basic 9.3, larger brakes, and 18-inch radial tires mounted on Turbo X aluminum wheels. Cross-wheel drive is standard on the Turbo X and an option on 9.3 Aero V6 Sport Sedan and Sport Combi, with either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission. Now, if you find yourself in dire need of a Turbo X, and it comes as a 5-door Sport Combi as well as this 4-door sedan, you'd better get on the move because only 600 are reserved for the U.S. market.